Welcome back to A Minute with Mike. Today we're going to talk about importing files into CabMaster. I get asked for this quite a lot. So I'm going to show you a little bit more in depth. We can create a tab file. So if you fairly computer literate, or you got a developer that can do this for you, can do this from a website, or you can do it from an Excel spreadsheet or anything like that. But essentially anything with a tilde in front of it, this is a global parameter, and these are per cabinets going this way. So essentially what we've got is we've got our cabinet, so say a floor, two-door, how many do you want, quantity, height, width, position, kickboard height, things like that. So you can actually get all this into a simple file, then go File, Import, Import List Item, or Item List, choose the file, and you can generate these from other programs quite happily. So you can very easily import into CabMaster, and it just literally brings all the cabinets in with the dimensions you want. It'll also bring in the job number, as you can see there. Whatever dimensions we put in here. So now look at 88899. You can turn things on and off whenever you like. So it's a very easy thing to do. We have documentation on our knowledge base. If you need help, by all means, call support. We can help with this sort of thing. But you absolutely can import full cabinetry into CabMaster whenever you like. So that's been a minute. Thanks very much for watching.